Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility. If you want 4K or 120Hz, your TV must support it, and you need an HDMI too. One cable. Once done, plug the cable into the TV port labeled for high bandwidth, then fully power cycle both devices, unplug for 10 seconds and restart. You do this because TVs can lock settings per port, and the console negotiates the signal during boot. Make sure the TV is set to the correct HDMI input, and any low latency or game mode is enabled before moving on. Now, on the Xbox, go to Profile and System, right arrow Settings, right arrow General, right arrow TV, and Display Options to control the signal. You should manually set resolution to 4K if the console defaulted lower. Then choose the highest compatible refresh rate, 60 or 120Hz depending on your hardware. Once selected, enable 10-bit color and HDR options only if your TV supports them. These affect color depth and can force a lower resolution if mismatched. If the console warns about bandwidth, finish by running the TV's calibration and the Xbox HDR/4K test to verify content displays correctly. This ensures tone mapping and brightness are correct. If you still see low resolution, swap in another certified HDMI cable or try a different TV port to isolate hardware faults. Make sure both TV and Xbox firmware are up to date, because firmware fixes handshake issues. As a final troubleshooting tip, temporarily set the Xbox to 1080p, reboot, then gradually restore 4K and higher color settings to identify which change breaks the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.